Hey guys, hi, how are you all doing? I hope you all are great. Okay, so now today's live is all about calligraphy, and we're going to talk about what calligraphy is and what all types are, actually there in calligraphy. So we are going to clearly explain to you all. I'm just going to take CalliStyle live now. Just give me a moment. Yeah, so please. Hi, Shraddha.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, so we'll all welcome our viewers first. Thank you so much for watching our live. We'll just take few minutes of yours, and this live is going to be very informative. So please watch the live till the end, and we are going to talk about what calligraphy is. Nowadays, people are talking much about calligraphy, but do you all know what exactly calligraphy is and how it looks and what types are there in calligraphy? So we are going to talk about all of that in this live session. So this is Shraddha. She's one of the one of the best trainers at calligraphy. Sorry, CalliStyle. She teaches calligraphy at CalliStyle, and so Shraddha. So I want to ask you a few
Yes, ma'am.
questions regarding calligraphy. So as you are the expert in calligraphy, I would like to ask you what types of calligraphy are really there, and what do you think calligraphy is, and how relaxing it is to do calligraphy when someone isn't stressed.
Yeah,
Can you
exactly. I was going to say when you said what is calligraphy, I was going to say basically for me it's a stress buster. For me, it's a me time, relaxing, just calming myself, collecting all that thought I have. Or basically, if I ever have a rough day, I'll sit and I'll calmly do my work. That means writing. That means calligraphy. About different types of calligraphy, like let's categorize it into two parts. First is traditional and second is modern. Then we will have further categorization. In modern, we have brush, which is like the really known one, popular one, if you have to talk like that. And in traditional, there are different ones like Gothic, copper plate. Even there is one in like the Hindi language one, which is that is Devangari, which
Yeah.
is really, really famous from the place I belong, that is Varanasi. And then there's monoline, there is different fracto, there's a lot of things, there's a lot of fonts. So,
Yeah.
but the one I teach is brush and copper plate. So when it comes to brush, also we have different categories. So there is a lot vast chart you can say for that.
vast vast topic to talk about. So can I know
Yes.
how many days does it require to learn brush pen calligraphy and copperplate calligraphy?
12 days, that's it. 12
2 days.
for the basic.
12 days for basic brush pen, and if you want to learn advanced also, then how
It
many
will be
days?
18 days, that's it.
18 days. Okay, what about copperplate calligraphy?
Copper plate is for 12 days.
12 days, that's enough. Okay, so 1 hour will be for per class, and you will be teaching
Huh.
everything basics, right? What you will start
Yes,
off with.
from zero level.
So from which part you start? Like from which area? What do you cover
From
first? And
first, we start with how to hold a pen. Either it's a pointed pen or brush pen. We first will teach how to hold a pen. And then
mm,
we further ahead, we move with a muscle movement that you should know how to move your hand because it's really important. Correct posture and movement. And then we'll start with the drills, basic drills, the
mm.
basic strokes, breaking alphabets into different strokes. Yeah. And then we'll start with further alphabets and all.
Okay, okay. So do you teach designing as well in advanced level, like background?
Uh-huh.
So
Yes,
everything.
background, banners, doodles, yes.
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay. And in copper plate, what do you teach? How do you start off? Same
Cop-
basic for
Since
copper.
copper plate is a traditional one, copper plate has a lot of rules to follow. So again, same thing, how to hold the pen and then to work on a paper, to understand the guidelines which are on the paper. Copyplate, really you need to understand the guidelines, and then only we can work with them. And then basic strokes and all. And copperplate is, a very traditional, and thus it's a very classy, it gives a very professional look and a lot, like, what to say, it's very classy. So it's very simple. Like, it doesn't have a lot of doodles or a lot of backgrounds, to be honest, but in its own self, it's very classy. But you can definitely add, embellishments and all if you know about them.
Okay, but you will be teaching, right? Everything in the Copperplate class.
Sure.
As well. Okay. So Shraddha, can you show what brush pen calligraphy is? Can you demonstrate right now for us, and also demonstrate Copperplate so that audience will know what exactly what is the differentiation between both the calligraphy types? Okay. Can you put it in the back camera? Yeah. Just pause your camera. Just ready. Pause it and then make
Actually, I cannot pause myself, but I'll see.
Okay.
Maybe I have to use my finger.
Okay. Okay, for everybody who is here who doesn't know why I am live with CaliStyle, so I'm here, and me and my other trainer, the art CaliStyle, works at CaliStyle, are talking about different types of calligraphy, and we are also talking about how best you can learn calligraphy and how relaxing it is to do calligraphy art. Okay, if you are really into art, or if you read on very interesting and which will actually relaxing for your mind, then definitely you must try calligraphy. So we also provide a free demo class. If you're interested, please check out our page, CaliStyle. That is here, and you can just ping us so that we will tell you further details about the demo class. And we are going to show you how calligraphy is written. Okay, the video now.
Okay, I think I need to fix my phone a little bit more.
Okay, are you showing it, Shraddha?
Yeah, I'm showing it. Just a second, please. I'll have to rotate my phone in this particular way.
Okay.
I think now it's good. My paper is visible.
Yes, a little bit. I mean, make it a little bit front. Yeah. I can see it now. Okay.
So, do we have any name suggestions, or should I just write brush calligraphy for initial starter?
Yeah, I'll ask the audience. So, if you want your name to be written in calligraphy, please mention your name in the comment section. We will be writing.
Along with your favorite colors, maybe it will be more interesting.
You want us to write your best friend's name? We can write that. Your girlfriend name, your boyfriend's name, anybody's name, please mention in the comments below. We will do it beautifully and we will showcase it to you here. And you can even take a screenshot and send it to them. Okay, Shraddha, you can write Meghna.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, this is brush pen calligraphy that we are showing. Shraddha, can you on your flash or something? Is there any option to on the flash?
Flash, yeah, sure.
Yeah, so that will be brighter.
I don't think that is possible. It's not visible?
It is visible, but okay, try. You can do it. Yeah, do it. Let's see. So she is writing in brush pen calligraphy. She's writing my name, Meghna. So you all can see how calligraphy is written. That is brush pen calligraphy. Wow. That looks amazing, Shraddha. Wow.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I ended up with a bouncy font. I started with a normal, but then I was like, we can do bouncy as well.
Yeah. So guys, if you have any suggestion, name suggestion, please put it down in the comment section so that we will write it down in calligraphy. So how do you design it, Shraddha? Can you like show how do you design that further?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Maybe just adding shadows. It's a very simple thing, but it really, brings a lot of change in your work.
Okay. Yeah. It looks even more amazing, right? Makes your art look beautiful. Yeah, there is one name suggestion for us. You can write Karthik next.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Hi guys. Thank you so much for joining our live. We are here, demonstrating live calligraphy writing for you all. This is going to be a very informative session for you all. Please do watch till the end. It is all about calligraphy. You all would have seen, you all would have read so much about calligraphy, but do you all know what exactly calligraphy is? So this is it. So we are talking about what types does really exist in calligraphy writing, and then yeah. So yeah, very nice, Shraddha, very nice. You can you write Karthik? Then
Yeah,
it
I'm
is
gonna write that only.
Karthik. Wow, very pretty, very pretty. Karthik, I think it looks amazing. What do you think? Please let us know in the comment section below. And yeah, can you like write in copper plate also after this, Shraddha, if you don't mind? Can you show
Sure.
people how copper plate also works?
Yes, sure.
And also, please introduce yourself. Sorry, I forgot to ask you this at the starting itself. Let them know your experience and why are you doing this actually. So
Uh,
Karthik has commented superb. Thank you,
Thank
Karthik.
you, Karthik. So I'm like Shraddha Verma. My name is Shraddha Verma. I'm like doing it from a quite long time now that I don't remember exactly. I have to sit and count. And
You're from
otherwise,
which?
like you asked, what?
You're from which
Uh-huh.
place? You're from which
You were saying
place?
something? I am from Varanasi.
No, I'm asking you. Mm.
And I do this because I like doing this is such a hidden art that not a lot of people know, so it's nice to bring this back, because everything is digital now and no hand written things are there. Letters in copper plate look so beautiful, the traditional ones which all the calligraphers curate with love. So these things are kind of not being known, like it's getting hidden. So that's why I feel really happy when teach people this particular art form, you know
Mm.
so that's it.
Very nice. So you've been working
Especially when
from a long time. How was your
uh-huh.
working with Cali Style? Let them know that
It's
all.
amazing working with Kali Styles. I cannot stress on this point that it's such a friendly environment we have here. You know, Meghana ma'am is really a nice, seriously a very helpful person. She helps us as a trainer. She let us know what mistakes we are doing, and she helps us correct them. Even if we have any problem with the students or something, she helps us there. And it's a really, guidance which everybody needs in their life. If you are a trainer, especially, working with different kind of people is not that easy, but she makes it very easy.
Thank you.
And also, if we like being
Today,
friendly, also enables now.
today I'm not because of your words, sweet words. Thank you so much. It means a lot. I love
I'm happy. I'm glad that I can make you feel like happy, because you make us feel really comfortable in this particular space.
Yeah. I treat my trainers as
Doesn't
friends
work the
only.
way.
You're like a friend to me. Um, you know, yeah. So I don't treat my trainers as trainers, but I treat them as friends. I correct them as my friend. And then, yeah. So
Yes.
now Shraddha is writing in Cooper plate calligraphy. So you all can see the magic now. You can write anything. You can write Cali style actually.
Yeah, I was actually going to write that only.
Super. So, hello guys, whoever joined new in this live. I'll again talk about why we have started this live. We've started this live to talk about calligraphy, different types of calligraphy, and one of our trainer at Cali Style, one of the best trainers who has amazing experience in this field. She is writing in different types of calligraphy. She's demonstrating it live to you all. I hope you all can see. And if you all have any suggestion, any name suggestions, please do let us know. We will demonstrate it to you all live now. Your name or your friend's name, your parents' name, or your girlfriend or boyfriend name, anybody's name, you can let us know in the comment section. We will do it and demonstrate it for you. Calligraphy is such an art, is definitely amazing art that everyone should learn, I feel, because it's such a stress bursting to everybody that I ask who does calligraphy. And nowadays, in the generation that we are living now, we have a lot of stress, right, Shraddha? What do you think? Even a 15-year, 10-year,
Sure.
yeah, we all must learn to let go of these stresses by learning arts like this, by doing art forms like these, like calligraphy. So this is one of the best art to relieve your stress. So if you want to join for calligraphy courses, please do check out our page, that is Calistyle 26, or please ping us. We will give you more information on that. You can also attend our demo class, which is completely free, and then you can register for our classes. So yeah, Shraddha, wow. So she has done the Cooper plate writing now with the Cali style word. So can you just show them the pen? There are two different pens. Okay, for every type of calligraphy, there is different pen. So for Cooper plate, it's like a
Yeah.
ink nib. You'll have a sharp.
Yes, we get. There are two types of flange. This is the oblique holder. This is the that means it's not straight. We do get a straight one as well. That means you can remove this. You can remove the. Let me just clean my tip so that I can show you that as well.
Sure.
Also, I just want to add this point here that it's such a simple art to learn. Having the advantages, it's very simple to learn.
Very simple. Very importantly, it's very simple. No need to get scared that actually many students have asked me that ma'am, is this very hard? I'm really scared. I don't know anything about art. I'm new to art. Even if you're new to art, even if your handwriting is horrible, you can learn calligraphy. Okay.
Exactly. Calligraphy and handwriting are two different things. People at times confuse. And I
Yes.
would just like to stress one more thing. When you said art, I was horrible in my drawing classes when I was a kid. I used to get C, and I'm not kidding when I'm saying this.
Oh my God.
I
But
now
look
I'm
at
doing
now.
watercolors and all
But look at
because of calligraphy.
Yeah, so you're doing amazing artwork, Shraddha. Even painting is very nice. You're doing painting. Okay, Shraddha, you must
Yes.
show your artworks also. You must display as a Cali Style trainer. You must show your talent, hidden talent to the world. So yeah, so this live is recorded, so we can also share it to our news feed so that people
Yes.
can check
Sure.
it. So show your art forms also and show the pen
Um,
clearly.
this is the nibs that I've just taken out.
Mm.
So basically, it's a very small piece of thing. We use this particular, you know, what happened when you press down, this particular thing opens. We can see my skin through this. So then you get the thick strokes. And the point is to get all the thin strokes. The same we have this one. There are two different brands that comes in wooden and plastic and with straight and, you know, that means oblique, that means slant.
Hmm.
One of the work with copper plate, you can see this one,
Wow,
kind of, you know. So
amazing.
yes,
Very nice. So that's copper plate calligraphy, guys.
yes, this is copper plate. When it comes to brush mein there's a lot of things to do actually to experiment with, like blendings and all are there. So this is a very old work, a little messy as well. So sorry for that. I was just experimenting with things.
Wow.
This is for watercolor background. As we said, do you have the, you know, different doodlings and all?
Hmm.
This is a proper shadow work, another blending work, a little bit clear now.
Very nice.
So yes,
So,
this
guys,
is one of my art painting.
wow, such an hidden talent at Cali Style. You all must experience that. Oh my God, very nice, very nice. Any other, Shraddha?
Any other?
Can like see you can use different colors, different color brush pens. You have many types of pens available, and when you join our course we will clearly mention what materials to be bought, and also we will supply the materials ourselves. We have the stock with ourselves, so we are one of the manufacturers of these materials. So if you all need any materials related to calligraphy, so we can also ship to your address. So, and also, can you show
This
what?
is the difference
Yeah,
between
wow.
calligraphy and handwriting. This is my handwriting and this is the calligraphy.
So
So
see, you
two
are,
different things.
yeah, handwriting is different than calligraphy. Even if your handwriting is worst, then you can learn calligraphy very well.
This is a different medium. I was just trying. This is gouache. That was watercolor, which you saw earlier.
Yeah, I think
So
Shraddha,
yeah,
when you learn calligraphy, your art skills also will improve, right? You will slowly
yes,
improve with
because
your painting,
hmm,
drawing as well.
sure.
That is there.
Because you understand colors and how to work with them now, so it becomes really easy. These are banner works along with shadow and some doodles on the side and all, basically framing your
Wow,
work.
wow,
These are different topics which are covered in the course. This is
amazing.
another copper plate work along with the background. As I said, if you know, you can definitely add a lot of things.
Okay. Okay, this is Cooper plate calligraphy. Everybody are looking at the image right now. That is Cooper plate. So, Shankar, can you tell me what should we explain more about, like, which part do you want us to explain? Very nice, Shraddha. Looks amazing. And guys,
These
if
are
you all have any other
blending.
doubts related to calligraphy, please let us know. We are here. Wow.
And if you are into art and all, you can improve your like work with adding some calligraphy in it. This is really something I really get attracted to. You know, having a background on the side. So
And
yes,
and Shraddha, you can also tell career wise also, if they want to take calligraphy as a career, what
yeah,
benefits do they have? They have many benefits, right? If they see, you can
yeah,
also go into teaching
sure.
side, right?
Teaching is there, starting your own you know shop with a lot of these customized materials, because people are craving for customization.
Exactly.
Everywhere you will find customizations, so yes,
I did
having
not
your own shop.
I did not tell you, Shraddha. Actually, I got many calls from students saying that, ma'am, we need this card with this sentence, with this word. Can you please make it possible by
Okay.
today? They are craving for customization for greeting cards written in calligraphy writing. I have got so many calls, you know. You can actually open your own store online. You You can advertise yourself. You can make
Yes.
postcards, greeting cards with calligraphy, and you can sell that. You know, it's
If
an
you want career wise, you can go into graphic designing. That is one of the amazing thing you can. And if you start with just this as a hobby, you might find some other way. Maybe just I went into drawings and all. Somebody else can also go into drawings, and then you have a different whole different perspective of, like, different ideas or different more
logo
opportunities for your
designing.
career.
You can do
Yes.
typography, logo designing,
Yes.
right?
Sure.
With writing, you can actually make it into a logo. You can customize and give it to your clients. Oh my god, there are various
Yes.
options you learn if you want to take calligraphy as a career, and you can
Yes.
earn pretty much good amount sitting at your home doing part-time. You can do your full-time, and also you can do calligraphy. There's
Yes.
one
Side
good,
hustle is one of the good things.
yeah, that is, you can do your studies and you can do this, anything. You can combine this
Sure.
actually. So that's the best thing. And Shraddha is doing
And
both now. She's working also and she's doing this also. So I need to tell her hats off about the way she's managing her personal life and calligraphy teaching. Really, Shraddha,
thank you
you're
so
doing
much, ma'am.
amazing. What I mean, the feedbacks that I'm getting from each student is amazing. Like 5-star rating for Cali Style because of you. Thank you so
Thank
much
you so
for
much,
that.
ma'am.
Yeah. So Shankar is asking how much you can earn. See, there is no particular amount that you can tell. The more students you get, the more you earn. And also, there's no. You can start off from 5,000, minimum 5,000, and you can earn to lakhs also. You start selling your items,
Yes.
art items. Even if you take workshops for 100 people together, it's easy. It's easier. Don't think it's hard. It's very easy. If you think you can do it. Okay. So very nice. So please let us know if you have any other doubts. Please, yeah, we are here. Very happy to take your questions.
Also, one more thing to add in this, like, it's simple to learn and quickly you can start with things. That is also one of the things. But once you are on the professional level now, as you will, someone was asking for the amount, then you
Mm.
basically people are going to pay you as much as you will want if you are
Yeah,
very good at the skill.
yeah. And
So
you
amount is not a thing.
you have good experience, and then definitely people will pay for you. And you can take in
Yes.
batches, and then you can earn more. Slowly, slowly, you will start earning more. So there's nothing that they don't think that you can earn only this much of amount, very less amount through. You can
Yeah,
make,
there is no restriction,
yeah,
no
you can
limit.
do whatever you want. Yeah. And main thing I want to clarify is handwriting is not related to calligraphy. Even if your handwriting is worse, you can learn. And also, Shraddha, from which age group can they
Mhm.
learn calligraphy? From which age group? Minimum age. What do you think?
There is no, like, at least like they should be able to hold a
So sorry, I lost my connection suddenly. I'm so sorry, guys. So sorry. I'm happy that still 8 of them are viewing this live. Thank you so much for staying for so long with us. Sorry, Shraddha, I lost the connection. So sorry.
No worries. It's
Okay,
okay.
what were you talking about? Yeah. So anybody who can,
We were talking about age group.
anybody who can hold a pen properly can start learning. I think even from six
Yes.
years of age group, they can start live. Sorry.
Yeah, they can start with the 4-1. Yes, for calligraphy they can start.
Okay. Okay, you can also mention about folk calligraphy. Actually, folk calligraphy is a basic one, right? For those who want to
Yes,
start
like
at the beginner.
yes. For calligraphy is basically, as I said now, for the kids. Basically, if they're not able to control the brush pen, because brush pens are flexible, you get thick and thin stroke. So it's good to start with a normal pen. So yes.
Okay, okay. And guys, if you have questions related to calligraphy, please drop us in the comment section below. We are happy to answer you all. And also, so we will be coming live 2 days once. So today is the calligraphy, it is all about calligraphy, and after 2 days it's going to be about drawing, sketching and painting. So please do join our live after 2 days, and then we'll be talking about how best you can learn drawing, sketching and all of that. So what are you writing, Shraddha?
For the
For
word.
So, okay, for you can even write with your own pencil, right? Even if you have a pencil or a pen,
Yes.
thing, right? So, guys, this is the only calligraphy you can write without any material. That is, without any particular pen. Okay, for calligraphy, you can write with a pencil, a pen, a ball pen, gel pen, anything. Okay, that's easy, as easy. So you can start off with for calligraphy, and then you can go on with brush pen calligraphy and paper plate calligraphy. This is how people start when they learn calligraphy, and definitely it's a very good stress buster. And you
Hmm.
enjoy doing calligraphy for sure. So if you want to attend a demo class with Cali Style to learn calligraphy, please do ping us. So we are happy to guide you and let you know the details. Others, please let me know if you have any doubts regarding Cali style or calligraphy, anything. So we are going to end the session now in 5 minutes. So before ending the session, I want to talk about Cali Style. So Cali Style is a trusted award-winning institute which teaches art courses, language courses like English, Tamil, French, German, Hindi, okay, from speaking to written. And also we teach art courses like calligraphy, drawing, painting, sketching, handwriting improvement, and many more. Even mandala art is taught by us. So please do ping us if you want to know more about these courses. We have experienced, amazingly patient trainers. They all are very friendly. So even if you don't understand, they keep teaching you again and again, inch by inch, every detail. So from 6 years of age group, anybody can register for any of these courses that I mentioned, and then we are expanding more. We are going to get into other courses as well soon. We will be letting you know, but please definitely follow our page, that is CaliStyle26. You will get to know more updates about us. So hi guys, hi Mahalakshmi, hi MU Reddy. Thank you all for joining our live. Shraddha, hi Karthik. Shraddha, if you
Yes.
want to
Yes,
talk
ma'am.
about, please do let them know, because we are going to end the live now. So if you want to tell them anything.
I just can say that if they are deciding to join any course with Calistel, that's the best thing they can do, because though it's online, but they'll not feel online wala thing, because if in online it's you are attending the class, once you leave the class ends, but that's not the scene here. We are connected with the students
Even after
throughout,
the course,
so that's
we are
yeah, even
connected.
after the course. So that's the best thing you can get.
Yeah.
So
So
that's all.
we travel with you even after the course for 2 months at least. So you keep sending your works, we start correcting it, and then we monitor you even after the course. So that's how CaliStyle works. We are very friendly, and you can call us, reach us, and message us anytime. We are here to happily help you out. If you have any doubts, any course is a successful one at CaliStyle. You can also watch our reviews, and also you can go visit our website that is called calistyle.in. You'll get to know more about us. So I want to wish all the best in the career paths you all have chosen. Whoever are watching, all the best, and take some time for yourself, learn something new, and then improve your knowledge. And then you should also need your time. Okay, you should always have your time where you can do something which relaxes you, which makes you happy. I think calligraphy is that one thing which will definitely make you stress free, and then will bring that happiness in your face, because it did for many people who learned calligraphy. So that's why I'm telling you. So do attend a demo, and then get to know more about our teaching. Okay, so guys, we are going to end the live now. Thank you so much, Shraddha, for
Thank you
attending.
so much,
I
ma'am.
so much at this time. Also, you were so supportive. I need to be very thankful to God to get all amazing trainers like Shraddha. There are many amazing trainers at CaliStyle. So I'm thankful to God to get such an amazing
Thank
training.
you, ma'am.
Without you all, this would have not happened. Thank you so much again. And we
Thank
are
you
going
so
to
much.
end this live
Yeah,
right
sure.
now. And I will see you after 2 days with next course that we are going to talk about. That is drawing course we'll be talking about after 2 days. Please do watch the space to know more. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.